guys, I'm Shay, the Mommy Hustle Pro, and today we're going to be going over an introduction of who I am and what type of content I create, as well as a tutorial / review of an Amazon product that I recently bought. Before we get started, please hit the subscribe button, and yeah. To start off, who am I? I'm a single mom of one picky eater, so I create content that is primarily home-based, so it's really lifestyle.
Joggers.
Excuse me?
Joggers. It's more lifestyle.
But as a result, it's mostly home because my lifestyle is at home. Over the next few months, I'll be homeschooling temporarily. So that's home. I work from home, and also I do DIY projects. Some are renter friendly, some are not, because I do own this condo. So that's what you can expect. Lunches, parenting, all that stuff, as well as home decor, home projects, DIY. As far as this product that I'm going to be reviewing today, I have been living here a little bit under a year, and I still have not gotten used to having all hardwood floors throughout the house. So we still don't wear slippers, primarily because I have not installed this product. And I got this product months and months and months ago, so there was no excuse except pure laziness, busy life, whatever. But I bought stair stickers. So I bought this non-slip tape for stairs. I'm hoping that it will make it safer for the both of us to go down the stairs wearing slippers, because we've had some close call incidents, so we just really don't wear them. But this is a pack of 15, and I think I had either 12 or 13 stairs. I did not use all of these. It comes with the roller inside, so you don't have to worry about that. And it's as simple as 4 steps. You just clean the surface. I chose to do individual cleaning of the surface, so I didn't clean all the stairs and then do this project. That was just my personal choice, so it took me close to an hour, also with filming. But yeah, so you clean the surface, remove the liner, stick the adhesive, and then you roll it, because you don't want the sides to peel up. So let's get started. So as I stated, you want to start by wiping down the surface, and then grab one of your adhesives and make sure before you put it down that it is dry. So that's what I'm checking right here. It looked a little wet, so I had to touch it. Then I went ahead and peeled the cover off the back to reveal the adhesive side. Actually the footage that I got during the bottom half of the stairs, so I had kind of perfected it by this point. I was a little bit faster putting it down, and I knew not to rip the whole thing off from the start. Learned that the hard way. And then you just smooth it with your hand before you go over it with the roller. At this point, I had decided to go 2 by 2, so I cleaned 2 stairs, I stuck 2 adhesives, and then I rolled 2 stairs. Essentially, you can do whatever works for you if you want to do it 1 by 1, but like I said, after doing the top part and taking a very long time, I decided I wanted to go 2 by 2. So once again, just sticking it down, laying it with my hand. You definitely don't want to go over it with the roller the first time. And this is super sticky, but not to the point where if something like that happens, where it starts sticking to itself, like you can't fix it, as long as you don't like press it together. And then here I am rolling it. And I'm going to do that down all of the stairs. Definitely focus on those edges and the corners specifically, because they started to look like they would lift. So I wanted to make sure I got in there really good to get that. And again, doing the same thing on this stair before I move on to the others. So now I'm going to speed this up so that we can get through this quickly, since it is a very monotonous process. You're done. This took me about an hour and it came out perfect. So simple. Anybody could do it. So today we're gonna do it. Okay. But it's non-slip. So I bought these non-slip.